Hello friends and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Ms. Nuccia and I'm from the Winfield Public Library, and today we are going to make bubble bath Play-Doh. Doesn't that sound like so much fun? We were going to do this in May, but then with the library being shut and everything, I decided I was going to do a virtual demonstration. So it's really easy, and I wish this recipe was around, or I would have thought about this when my kids were little. It's very simple. Main ingredient, bubble bath. I bought mine from Amazon, but you can buy it from Dollar Tree, Target, anywhere. Just any bubble bath. And 1/4 cup. You need a few drops of food coloring. Today I'm using my Wilton Gel food colors, but any will work. I'm going to use a teaspoon of almond oil, but you could use coconut oil. The reason I'm not going to use the coconut oil, I don't want to have to melt a teaspoon. And then I measured 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and I actually have another 1/4 cup in case I need it. Really, I think a cup, 1/2 cup will do, but just in case. So you start by measuring out a 1/4 cup of bubble bath. And really, it smells so good already, and I haven't done anything. Okay, that's a 1/4 cup. Put it in your bowl. Make sure you get it all out. Then I'm going to add my teaspoon of almond oil. So just put it in there. And then any food coloring, just a few drops. Just so I'm going to put about 4. Doesn't matter. It's darker. And stir it, because then you'll see, look at the pretty color. Actually, this is a good time if you want to mix a really fun color. You can put more food coloring and you can invent your own color. Then add your cornstarch in, your 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Oh, reminds me of a beautiful bright ocean. Now, if it feels too dry, add a little bit more bubble bath. If it feels too wet, add a little bit more cornstarch. Look at that. It's still pretty wet. Look how pretty. Oh. And it doesn't take very long. This is a project the kids will love doing with you. Still a little wet, I could tell. I think it's starting to get a little drier. Looking good. But I think it's a bit wet. So I'm going to add just a drop more. Still wet. So just add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons at a time. Okay, now it's getting drier. But start off with a 1/2 cup and then work from there. It's getting drier, it's pulling together. But I think I'm gonna put another little teaspoon in. I still have quite a bit in my 1/4 cup. And when the kids do this, just knead it. I think this is enough. Nope, a little bit more. Like I said, First time I did it, I had to put a little bit of bubble bath because it was too dry. But it all depends on how we measure. But look, so pretty. So let's say 1/2 cup cornstarch and a little bit more to be safe. And then just work it. Knead it. This is where the kids are going to have fun. Look at that. They could spend hours doing this and then hours in the bathtub. I think it's good. And then just make it into balls. Shape them into little balls. You probably, with one recipe, can do 3. 3 pretty little balls. I like to use everything up. And there they are. Aren't they pretty? And it's done. Then just put them in a pretty dish. And every time the kids want to take a bath, just give them a section or it'll dissolve easily in the bathtub. Pinch a bit and give it to them. It'll be fun, fun, fun. Well, thank you for joining me today. And I will show you the others that I've made in 1 second. And this is my finished product. I told you before when I tried it, one time I had a little bit too much and I had to add more. But the last one, where you mix all your liquids, it actually came out the nicest. And you can have many colors, and the kids can have lots of fun. It doesn't cost very much. I did 3 recipes, and I still have quite a large amount left in the bottle. So thank you for watching, and let me know how yours turns out, and if the kids are still in the bathtub. Have a great day, and see you soon. Bye.